Adversary, opponent. Before committing her country to war, a wise leader carefully sizes up the strength of the possible adversary. During World War II, Germany found that the United States was a more powerful adversary than it had thought the U.S. would be. Adversity, poverty, misfortune. Some people believe that adversity improves character, making one a stronger and more understanding person. During a war, civilians as well as soldiers usually experience adversity. Affable, easily approachable, warmly friendly. Judges at beauty contests often choose one of the contestants as the most affable. People who work in sales are frequently affable individuals who enjoy talking to many types of people. Affirmation, assertion, confirmation. Reciting the Pledge of Allegiance is an affirmation of our loyalty to our country. The witness nodded in affirmation of the judge's statement. Aloof, apart, reserved. Shy individuals usually like to remain aloof in large gatherings of people. The new student was aloof for a few weeks, adjusting to her new classmates. Altruistic, unselfishly generous, concerned for others. When one country gives aid to another country, it is generally for reasons that are not entirely altruistic. A mother's love is often cited as an example of altruism. Ambivalence, the state of having contradictory or conflicting emotional attitudes. Jill was attracted to Jack, so she finally agreed to a date with him. However, she did so with some ambivalence because of his reputation for being self-centered. Because he knew that teaching provides a steady income, whereas writing usually does not, it was with considerable ambivalence that he gave up teaching to become a freelance writer. Amorphous, formless, lacking shape or definition. This modern painting is amorphous. I can't figure out what it's supposed to be. The company's plan to expand is at present amorphous, but it should begin to take shape at a series of meetings next month. Analogous, comparable. The heart of an animal or person is analogous to a pump. Business people sometimes make an analogy between the hardware of a computer and the hardware of a firm. That is, its physical assets as opposed to its intellectual ones, which are compared to the software used by a computer. Anarchist, a person who seeks to overturn the established government. An advocate of abolishing authority. Governments regard anarchists as dangerous because they represent a threat to the existence of the state. Anarchists generally believe that governments infringe on rights that human beings enjoy naturally.